going to be a sunny day.
So the objective today is to at least see what it's going to take to replace at least one of these planter beds. Gotta start by taking some measurements. .36 by 48. Is that okay, Otis? Well, here goes nothing. I'm gonna be a little fancy. I'm gonna try 2 at one time. Yeah, not so bad. Now surely if it worked the first time, it'll work the second time too, right? There we go. The pieces I have here to go in the ground are measuring 12 inches, but I think 9 will be fine. So. Not an exact science, but we're not building the Taj Mahal. Okay, let's see how easy this is going to be to pull out of place. Needed a little bit more gentle persuasion than I was expecting. Supervisor, I got to find out if I'm doing it okay. Come on, it's gonna go down. Well, while I'm in the mode, I might as well take care of the other one. That's a little easier. So I got the 4 larger ones all taken up anyway. We'll go ahead and drill some pilot holes for the screws. It helps if you take the screwdriver out of reverse, or drill out of reverse. Screwdriver. Right. There we go. Well, let's see if we can get at least one of these put together. Sure are times when an extra pair of hands would come in handy. Well, guess we'll find out now how close she fits. Not so bad. It's a little gentle persuasion. There we go. Accomplished the one I wanted anyways. Oh, Otis. Come on over here. Come over here. That's a good boy. You sit down. Sit down, please. That's a good boy. Well, one down. 3 to go. Then I'm running out of lumber. So I'm not sure if I'm going to piece together some leftovers or go and buy some more. I'm leaning towards piecing together. Being the cheapskate I am. I gotta afford bananas! Come on, that's it! Did forget to mention though too that I made some chicken thighs for lunch today. So today was fence day. Propped it up on this side. Propped it up on the other side. So we'll see when I move the props whether or not it'll stand straight. Not sure what the supervisor thinks about the situation. Is it going to work, Otis? Let's hope so. Well, here goes nothing. Oh, I didn't hear any movement. Look at that. Oh. I guess it'll hold until the next hurricane. Well, I guess I can say it's sorta done. This piece is too heavy for me to lift alone. I'll need to get a friend or two. Not bad. Oh, goodness, Otis. Over here, darling. There we go. Not too bad, I guess. I didn't show you all the gory details. There may or may not have been a few choice words used. I'll never tell. And Otis has sworn to secrecy. Listen, I'm going to have one little bite, okay? Before we did come out this morning, I made a mock apple cake. It's made with chayote squash. Sure smells good. You can sure smell the cinnamon anyway. There we go, bub. That's it for today. What do you think, Otis? Oh dear. Well, I guess if I figure I'm going to try to get the summer out of this little mower, I either have to replace the blade or sharpen it. The first thing to do is to figure out how to get it off. Well, that was a little harder than I expected. I had to get out the WD-40 to get it loose. But it's off. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see this, because it's quite dark in the shed here. But this is an old Champion grinder that my grandfather made. It hasn't been turned on for years. So I had it on and I had to grease it up a bit. So we'll see how she works right now. Seems okay. Now I haven't sharpened very many blades in my life, so let's see what goes on here. Well, seems sharper than where I started anyways. Okay, let's get it back on. Well, it does seem to be going on a little easier than it came off anyways. There we go. Well, while I was at it, I decided to put the bag attachment on. There's a big hole in it, but I might be able to repair that to get the gear out of it anyways. But anyways, let's see if it'll go. Ooh, even sounds a little better. Oh, Otis. There we go. Another job ticked off the list, I guess. What do you think? You didn't even stay to supervise today. What's your problem? Are you on strike? Beautiful day. We had rain yesterday afternoon, so everything is still a little mucky out here. Anyway, that's my excuse I'm going to use for not doing some mowing. What do you think there, bub? Okay, that's it.